Welcome to my review channel. Experience the power of AI and start dominating social media industry in no time. Revolutionary. ChatGPT-4. OpenAI-powered app automates social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube and more by creating and posting trending viral contents such as videos, images, reels and more with Siri-like voice commands in less than 60 seconds and drives 10,000s of targeted views, traffic and followers on complete autopilot. Just embed your affiliate links for maximum profits. No tedious posting, no content creation, no video creation, no BS. Fully ChatGPT-4 an OpenAI-driven app automatically create and post ChatGPT-4 powered high engaging social media posts. Boost your social media engagement and drive targeted views, traffic and followers. Autopost, schedule or automate your social media posts across all accounts at once. With just one click, generate and publish trending Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos in any niche. Design attention-grabbing AI graphics, visuals, art, and images for your social media posts and marketing. Engage with your audience in real time with built-in live streaming feature. Generate high-converting social media marketing materials like blog posts and ad copies, video scripts and much more. Say goodbye to the hassle of managing multiple social media accounts separately. Put an end to the struggles of creating viral and engaging posts. SociBot comes with Siri-like voice command technology. Commercial license included. Generate and sell as many assets as you like to clients. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. No hidden fee or any extra expenses. Nothing to download, install or customize. Get started in seconds. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Friends, if you can buy this products, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.